How to transfer contacts from Android to Android. How to transfer contacts to new phone. In this video, we'll show you several different ways to achieve the goal. Just see here. Keep all your contacts moved over to your new Android. How to transfer contacts from Android to Android effectively with one click. Under this method, you need a third-party tool as your assistant Mobican Transfer for mobile. With it, you can simply connect two phones to the computer and transfer contacts from one Android to another with one click. Here are the detailed steps. Step 1. Connect your Android devices to PC with USB cables. Step 2. Enable USB debugging on your Android devices. Step 3. Select the contacts to transfer from Android to Android. Method 2. How to sync contacts from Android to a new Android using Gmail, a Google backup. Step 1. On your old Android phone, add a Google account. Step 2. Sync Android contacts to Gmail account. Step 3. Sync the contacts to the new Android phone. Method 3. How to send all of contacts from Android to Android via VecFef file. Old phone. Contacts menu, manage contacts, export as contacts, VecFef. Find an email to new phone. Login, download. New phone's contacts menu. Import VecFef file, choose. Method 4. How to transfer contacts from Android to Android manually via SIM card. Source Android, contacts, settings, manage contacts. Import export contacts SIM card. New Android. Import export contacts, import from SIM card. Method 5. How to transfer contacts from Android to Android using Bluetooth. Enable Bluetooth on both phones. On old phone, open contacts, menu, import export share name card via. Select all, Bluetooth. Choose target device. Accept authorization on receiver to start transfer. Method 6. Transfer contacts from Android to Android using app. Connect devices to same Wi-Fi. Open app on both phones. Choose target phone on source phone. Pair devices. Select contacts. Start transfer.